Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off professional account on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After getting into your Instagram account, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on Menu from the top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Account Type and Tools. Then tap on Switch to Professional Account to get professional tools. Click on Continue, Continue, and then Continue. Now it will ask you to select the best category to describe you. Select the category and tap on Done. Then press OK to turn on Professional mode. To turn off the professional account, you have to follow the exact same steps to turn your professional account off. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.